Hi guys, this is a compressor for 4G 91, 92. So I just to open this one, this top cover because have a leaking. Around here have a refrigerant leaking. So we open, and then right now we can check about this gasket. So you can see this gasket is not good condition, and then here have a broken, you can see. So the conclusion is this gasket need to change. You can see the gasket is not proper here. So you can see the broken gasket need to change. Do not use it back because maybe have a minor leaking. So we take it just clean about all glue here. Okay, here I have the spare part here, the glue gasket. Okay, we try to fix. Very useful, very good condition right now. No need to put the glue. Okay, that's all guys for my short review. Because have here have one gasket, and then inside this for the body o-ring gasket, for the big o-ring gasket here inside here need to change. If you open and overhaul, you need to change the gasket. Okay, that's all guys for my review. See you next for my other review. See you next. Bye bye.